Seiko Group Corporation is one of the Japanese companies that focuses on the watch, clock, electronic device, and semiconductor industry. The story of Seiko began in 1881 when a 22-year-old entrepreneur named Kintaro Hattori opened a small shop selling and repairing watches and clocks in central Tokyo. As the business grew in 1892, Hattori established the Seikosha Clock Factory, which allowed the company to move deeper into clock and watch manufacturing by producing their own products. Later, in 1895, Seikosha created a pocket watch known as the Timekeeper, which became Seiko's first watch and paved the way for the creation of the first watch in Japan. This achievement represents Seiko's first step towards becoming one of the world's leading professional watchmaker and manufacturers. However, Seiko did not only focus on watch manufacturing. As the organization expanded rapidly, Hattori and his family established several subsidiary companies, which different companies cooperating to supply products and service to one another. Today, the Seiko family companies consist of two major independent groups, namely Seiko Group Corporation and Seiko Epson Corporation. Overall, Seiko's long-term vision focuses on leveraging both analog and digital technologies to deliver products and services that contribute to sustainable societies by connecting people, things, and time around the world.
So the objective that we use to focus on this assignment is, first is to understand the role and governance factor of business and organizational management in improving Seiko Group and competitive advantages that Seiko Group have. The second one is to discuss the impact of the suggestion business solution in Seiko Group. So for 1.3 is talking about Seiko competitive analysis. As far as I'm doing my research into this topic, I can see that Seiko have two types of their competitive analysis, which is the first one is about business competitors and the second one is about arrangement product pricing. So for business competitors, we can see whether direct and indirect competitors. Direct competitors refer as a watch brand who doing a business in the same market segment, such as have a same price range, have a same customer, and also offer the watch with comparable design, quality, and functionality. For example, Citizen is also popular in Japan. They popular because of their product is affordable and really casual for everyday users. Besides that, they only focus on making a lightweight and field-ready design, such as Citizen ProMaster. Meanwhile, Seiko is more into making diversity, innovative, and luxury watches. Besides that, Citizen also put more advanced technology in their product, such as they put GPS, sync, atomic timekeeping, and satellite wave. Other than that, these both brands still compete in the same market, which is they still produce and selling medium range watches, such as, for example, Seiko sell a Seiko Prospect, Seiko 5, while Citizen sell a Citizen ProMaster. For indirect competitors refer to brands that do not operate in the same market segment, but still company need to compete for same customer as they offer alternative product that can satisfy the customer needs and wants. For example, this section I see that smartwatch and a brand that still watches as accessory is as Seiko competitors, because they not selling the same product like Seiko, but the function of their product is same as Seiko. For example, the smartwatch like Apple Watch and Samsung Galaxy Watch, they provide a time plus in their product. They also get advanced technology such as touchscreen product, have a fitness tracking, and many advanced feature, while the Seiko just sell watches who focus on time only. Besides that, the another competitive like brand who sell a watch as accessory, such as Fossil, can be Seiko competitive because still have a same customer who want watch for style, not just telling a time. So for arrangement product pricing, people still see that Seiko is the expensive brand compared to another brands such as Casio and Citizen. Even though they selling the medium range product, the cheapest one, and also sell the same product functionality, but the starting price for Seiko products still more higher than another product. So for example, we can compare between Seiko Prospect Turtle and Citizen Pro Master Dive. These both product have same function, which is they can use into dive in deep of sea until 200 meter and also 200 meter, and also have same function to display time and date, but the starting price for this product is really different. We can see the starting price for Seiko Prospect Turtle is about $495 US, while the Citizen Pro Master Dive is starting from $317.5 US. Why Seiko expensive is because Seiko not only sell their product but also sell their name of brand, which is they make everyone know that they are the good craftsmanship for watches, and also the leader who lead to make a new technology in watch. Besides that, Seiko not only focus on medium range model. So 1.4 is talking about Seiko group advantages. Seiko still have a strong place in watch industry era because they get big supported from their own company, which is Seiko Group Corporation. Have another company like Seiko Future Creation Incorporated and Seiko Instrument Incorporated. This both company help Seiko Watch Corporation to produce better watch. For example, Seiko Instrument Incorporated. The function is to produce tool and any technology that Seiko watch need, while the Seiko Future Creation Incorporated is to make continuous experiment and investment into R&D so that they can make many new things in watch industry. Because of that, they get many title and success to be the first one to produce a good watch in this in watch industry, like become the first watchmaker in Japan, the world first quartz, and the first diver watch, which is can go deep diving until 600 meter, called Seiko Prospect Marine Master Professional 600 meters. Furthermore, Seiko does not only focus on affordable watch like Seiko 5 and Seiko Prospect, but also focus on the luxury market and ultra luxury market by make Grand Seiko and Credo. This makes Seiko have their own consumer all around the world that will always hunt for their product. That's all. Thank you.
Let's move on to the next part, which is who are engaged and responsible in the process. First, corporate governance framework. Seiko adopt a well-structured corporate governance system to ensure accountability, transparency, and sustainable business performance across the group. Second, board of directors. The board of directors play a central role in determining strategic direction, approving major management decisions, and monitoring business execution to safeguard shareholders' interests. Third, executive officer system. The introduction of the executive officer, that is senior vice president system, enhance organizational efficiency by clarifying separating strategic decision making from day-to-day operational execution. 4. Independent outside directors. Independent directors contribute objective judgment, professional expertise, and unbiased monitoring to strengthening governance quality and reducing managerial risks. Lastly, audit and supervisory board function. The
Audit and supervisory board ensure compliance, evaluates the validity of management actions, and provides advisory opinions to reinforce internal control and corporate integrity. Next, 2.2. Why does it happen? Seiko Group Corporation began as a local watchmaker in Japan in 1881 and expanded globally, causing the organizational structure to become more complex. As business activities and employees increased globally, Seiko needed a good management system to ensure profitability, efficiency, and product quality. Then, Seiko's product diversification across watches, electronics, semiconductors, jewelry, and optical products create challenges in maintaining brand identity and strategic alignment. Expansion into international markets introduced challenges such as the different regulations, consumer tastes, and intense competition require effective management and monitoring. Lastly, governance systems such as the Corporate Ethics Code of Conduct, internal audit, whistleblowing mechanism, and risk management are needed to reduce risk and ensure compliance. Without good governance, risks such as poor communication between units and duplications of tasks could affect organizational efficiency and performance.
So we move to 2.3. Where does it happen? For the first one, Seiko management and governance are carried out by the board of direction who determine company policy, long-term strategy, investment, and the performance of monitoring. Second, the executive officer that convert company strategy into the operational plans and coordinate daily activity among the subsidiaries. Third, the governance also occurs in the departments such as the operational, marketing, finance, and human resources, where daily operation in quality, brand consistency, and the compliance are monitored. And lastly is, in the global and local subsidiary level, the management ensure they comply with a local laws and market coordination will align with a corporate objective.
Next, I will explain how Seiko identifies solution to its branding problem. Firstly, the main problem faced by Seiko is confusing brand identity. Seiko sell both budget and luxury watches at the same time, which confuse customer about the brand's true value. There is also a market dilemma where Seiko is considered too expensive for budget buyers, but at the same time not prestigious enough compared to Swiss luxury brands. In addition, overlapping sub-brand with similar price range create confusion and make it difficult to customer to differentiate Seiko's product lines. To address this issue, Seiko conducted a strategy evaluation using SWOT analysis. Through this evaluation, Seiko leveraged its strong R&D capabilities and manufacturing heritage to move towards a more premium market positioning. The company also reviewed its product arrangement by identifying overlapping lines and removing underperforming sub-brands to simplify the customer journey. Based on this evaluation, Seiko implemented several key solutions. Firstly, Seiko introduced a brand segmentation strategy by clearly separating high-end collection from affordable model to protect its luxury image. Secondly, the company focused on simplifying product lines to create a clearer and more logical brand structure. Lastly, Seiko adopted niche marketing, targeting customers who value craftsmanship, heritage, and technical innovation rather than price alone. In the long term, these strategies will help Seiko build a clear and consistent brand message across global market. This also allows Seiko to achieve stronger differentiation from low-cost brand and Swiss competitors. Overall, the result is sustainable growth where Seiko can command higher prices and strengthen long-term brand equity.
So we move to 3.0, how Seiko SWOT model in about performance in the impact and justification. For the first one, strategy, direction, and brand clarity. It's the clear premium positioning established and there are reduced consumer confusion about the brand identity, and Also, strong long-term strategy focus. Next, the second one, operation efficiency and resources agreement, is to better coordinate of resources, rules and processes, the streamlined product portfolio and brand structure, and also improve production and operation efficiency. Third, leadership, organization and commitment. The employees got that to understand and support change, the strong internal element and share the vision, and also differentiate brand value and craftsmanship culture. And lastly, performance control and market responsiveness, the continuous monitor of the sale and market feedback. They are also faster in a response to competitive and consumer demand and improve adaptability in dynamic global market. And lastly, sustainable competitive advantage, integrative managerial approach, strengthens execution in successful transition to a premium focused competitor. And lastly is they are enhance the long-term sustainable and global competitiveness.
In this section, I will explain the applied management tools used by Seiko, which is the SWOT model. Firstly, under issue identify, Seiko faced an unclear brand identity due to its wide product range and unfocused positioning. This brand confusion became both a marketing and managerial challenge. Next is planning stage. Seiko used SWOT analysis to assess both internal strength and external factor. The company leveraged its technological expertise and craftsmanship and create Grand Seiko to clearly separate premium product from mass market watches. Moving on to organizing, Seiko reviewed and restructured its product portfolio by streamlining overlapping sub-brands. This helped reduce consumer confusion and improve brand differentiation, especially for mid-range product. Under leading, strong leadership play an important role in communicating in a new premium focused direction. Seiko emphasized brand heritage, craftsmanship and storytelling while aligning employees and stakeholders with strategic goals. Lastly, for controlling, Seiko continuously monitored sales performance, market response and customer feedback. Adjustments were made when necessary to ensure long-term strategic alignment in competitive market. In conclusion, the SWOT model helps Seiko systematically identify its problem, plan effective strategy and ensure sustainable brand growth.
In conclusion, Seiko's firm performance reflects effective business management through strong leadership, quality management practices, and the application of strategic tools such as SWOT analysis. By continuously identifying challenges, responding to competitive threats, and adapting to internal also external environment changes, this company is able to sustain long-term performance and maintain its positions as a global leader in the watchmaking industry.